welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Paulina and I am cabin crew, living and working in France, originally from Poland, and this is Paris. I'm here by bike. And my outfit is white, blue and black. I love these three colors. Look at this bag. Oh, yeah. This is my grandma's bag. Seriously, my grandma's bag. Originally was only with this handle, but I bought a chain and it's hyper practical. I have my hands free, friends free, what I wanted to say. And look at the sunny day and people in Paris. Look at this cute little building. I had to stop to show you this. The street, all the way long, is packed with that kind of architecture. It's just beautiful. You know, whenever I'm biking this side and I'm looking at these buildings, I'm thinking, one day it's gonna be mine. We are just like in front of Paris. Here's Paris. Yeah. It's actually park, but it's Paris already. It's so cute, don't you think? I don't know how I will gonna do this, but someday I will have one of these buildings. And I will be living just in front of the big forest. Park. Okay, park. Okay, move. Yeah. Good job, guy. Look at the sky. Oh my god, it's so cool. Yeah. I'm coming back home. Our Telma is waiting for us. Yeah. Let's go to see dog. Ducky dog. First of all, so sorry. The quality of the sound may be doubtful because I forgot my headphones, earplugs actually. And unfortunately, I'm working with what I have. And the second, what I wanted to say. Yeah, now I remember. A second. During my days in Paris, I usually use a bike because I avoid the traffic. It's really fast and convenient. We have a lot of this bike roads, like, what do we call them? You know, for bikes. So it's very convenient. You remember Paris 2024? I took a shortcut. Have you seen this traffic? I showed you. Now you understand. Bike is the best option. And by the way, we are not in London. this is kind of decoration here. But I like those phone booths here. The only minus is that there is no air conditioning when you are biking, but you have the wind in your hair, of course, and some insects in your mouth. I look funny, like a big, how do they call it? Big fly. Yeah, I look like a big fly. Look at this view. And this view. I'm not very far from home. I'm arriving. I just showed you. The name of this park is Bois Vincennes. It's pretty big. It's like a Central Park in New York, you know? Those are the length of Paris. And it's beautiful. Whenever you are in Paris, I really encourage you to go and to see, because you can find cute spots there. I have just arrived. I need to park the bike. So we have this special room for bikes. The only thing is that it's not very big. It's not very big. And it's, well, maybe it's not so messy. Yeah. This is me behind the scene. My bag is like constantly open. I mean, I'm inviting pickpockets. Let's check. Oh, this is my outfit, you see? And this, I will show you something. Hi, you are waiting for mommy? Oh, Termosio. Hi. She's doing this all the time between legs. Hi, how are you? There is no one. It's only me. Yeah. Yeah, hi. Hi. You wanna play? You wanna play? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah. Happy? Okay. So in the lift, I already showed you just a little bit sneak peek. This one. This cute bracelet. I bought it in Mexico. And actually, I wear it all the time when I'm taking showers, sleeping. Yeah, it's all the time. Oh my god, my legs. I'm sleeping with it, and actually it's pretty strong and so cute. So that's my outfit, and that's Thelma. She's disappointed. I stopped playing with her. Are you disappointed, Thelma? Are you disappointed? So my head without helmet looks like this. Actually, my hairstyle, it's not the prettiest one, but whatever. Because now, Thelma, Do you wanna go outside? What do you say? By the way, have you ever seen this stylish dog? Thelma, you look so stylish. Cannot say. Let's go outside. I will show you in a minute the secret place. Like secret place. I love walking there. The secret place is just behind these trees. This is my secret place. Thelma? What do you think? We go to the secret place? We go to the secret place? Yeah? Come on. Like hidden place. By the way, there is a river here. I just checked. You know, it's 34 Celsius degrees. So I love coming here because it's very fresh here, honestly. During the evening, it may be also a lot of mosquitoes, but well. And if you want to sit down by the river, there is a hidden place. Look. You can go down and voila. Cute little garden. Pretty wild garden. I'm trying to avoid sunlight because the pavement may be really hot for Thelma, so we are not walking where the sun is. I showed you today the day of live being cabin crew. I'm not sure it was interesting or not, but my day offs look like this. Sometimes it's more busy, of course. Sometimes it's just relaxing. I did my checkup today with a doctor. Don't forget to do your checkups. It's very important. Keep your health updated. Keep your health updated because you have only one. You live only once. I told you that I'm using electric bike. Oh, I didn't tell you that it's electric. So I'm using electric bike, but it's nothing special. Really, it's the random electric bike. It works, that's the most important. The battery is pretty strong. My husband has both. Standard one, like the normal one, and electric. Oh, I got my hairstyle. And I mean, Thelma, it's not your home. Hey, Thelma. Thelma, eh. She wants to visit everyone. They're coming back home because I think for this poor dog, it's a little bit too hot. Okay, let's go. Our house is like a lot of random house in France. And we love our place. It's pretty green. There is a lot of parks. There's a river. Tomorrow I have day off, and after tomorrow we are going to London, and it's gonna be like really good adventure. Because, Thelma,
Because
we are going to see Linkin Park. Like the concert of Linkin Park. Can you imagine?
yeah.
They are just doing the concerts. So me as a big fan and my husband especially, for us it's kind of coming back to our teenagers years, and we are going to London to for this concert, Linkin Park, and I hope that I will do some kind of video and I will show you how it was, because I'm impatient to see the city as well and some few friends and family we have there. But for now, for today, I tell you, have a good day. Thank you for coming. Just leave me a comment if you really like this video, and if not, don't leave me a comment. See you again on my channel soon. Bisous et à bientôt. I need to take off this. It's 34 degrees outside. Can you imagine? But I love sun. Sun is beautiful. Actually, I prefer sun than rain.
Behind my seat. And if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day